Looking for a great pre-owned SUV? Check out this 2019 Nissan Rogue in Caspian Blue Metallic with charcoal cloth interior. Inside, you will find many upgrades like power liftgate, heated front seats, and steering wheel audio controls. The Nissan Rogue is also loaded with tech like remote keyless entry and start, Bluetooth connectability, and Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This Rogue also comes with safety features such as backup camera, blind spot monitor, lane departure warning, and lane keeping assist. The Nissan Rogue comes with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, brake assist, and hill hold control. If you're interested in the 2019 Nissan Rogue, visit us online at cabledahmer.com to learn more.